This bird looks ordinary until it inflates its throat. The frigatebird spends most of its life soaring over the ocean, rarely landing and barely touching the water. But here's the twist. During breeding season, the male suddenly inflates a massive red throat pouch like a balloon. In seconds, its chest expands into a bright red signal that can be seen from far away. And this isn't just for show. The frigatebird uses this pouch to attract females and dominate rivals without fighting. It calls loudly while the pouch is inflated, turning the sky above the colony into a display arena. This strange behavior is a survival strategy. Found in tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide, the frigatebird proves that in nature, sometimes the boldest display is more powerful than strength.